Welcome to the INFINITUS Symphony training. We're going to do a quick overview here and maybe get into a trade just to show you how things work. So the first thing we're going to go over is the RSI, and that's this blue and green line that gets jagged. When it gets to the top here, that is overbought. Overbought is all up here, and oversold is all down here. And we can see that price tends to move fast with this. So there's going to be, like, for example, RSI drops here and it drops steep, goes with that price, and doesn't really go there, but there, that's about it. This isn't really a good chart, sorry. Okay, but moving forward, we're going to look at the Q line. That's this orange line here, and this, when I see it cross the horizon going north, this would be saying that, okay, prices is going to tend to increase, and when it starts heading south, that means price is going to tend to decrease. Okay, so next we have the QE bars. When we see these increasing, like so, price tends to increase. We can see that it matches there. Okay, and then whenever it decreases, price is going to tend to drop or go sideways. So we can see here that QE bars going down. Is price going up? No, it is going in a sideways channel through here. Is that good to trade? No, not good at all. Next is the interest here. This is bad chart. You can see there's very low interest. But here's some high interest. So basically we can say that here interest was increasing to the downside. You can see nice big drop to the downside, and then we can see that interest has decreased. It's going up, goes down, but it gets lower and lower till it crosses over. And what does price do when it crosses over here and looks like right here? Looks like we have a price increase that matches right around here. Okay, so the next thing would be the Hikinashi. I probably said that wrong. Don't get mad. That is these blocks up here for the sells and these ones down here for the buys. Now you can see there's quite a few other ones up here. We're going to use these as signals, but they can easily be used to fake us out. But how do we know if they're fake? Well, we can look at the Q bars right here and see if those are nice and thick, which, when I say thick, I'm talking about like has some body. See, it has some body here. So price is going to be going up or sideways whenever it has body here, but it's less likely for price momentum to change when we have nice thick bodies. So let's get into a quick trade real quick. Ugly. We are in a sideways channel through here. So it's going to be tough to say what is going to go up next. But we can see we got a Renko dot here. Interest, super low. Doesn't look good to trade. But we're going to be heading upwards. So I'm going to put a market order into a to a buy there. And why do I say a buy? Well, this is down low here, and I'm expecting it to go upward and get more interest because we have a Renko dot here, we got one here, but we already had a decrease here. And it looked like for every little decrease, looks like there was a little increase on price before it going down. Okay, so it's going, man, no interest here. Ugh. I'm not too worried about the trade because we're like exactly in the center. And make a note, no stop loss. That's not safe. Not safe. See, we're going to have prices more likely to go upwards because we can see the Q bars decreasing. So we should have a pop up to this line, I'm assuming. So now we just have to wait it out. There's our blue Heikinashi buy. There's our Q bars increasing. That's what we like. And we want that to go up to increase. You can see we are in the green. So I hope this little trading tutorial gives you a nice little overview of how things work. When in doubt, wait it out. I think it would be odd to have just too little here, so I'm going to stay in the trade. Can I put a stop loss? Let's see, where did that go? Don't even know where it went. But I can see we're increasing. We are increasing here. So I didn't sell here because the QE line was above here, so I didn't want to be faked out. But it looks like we're getting to an oversold spot up here, so we might want to exit. But we're still thick here. When in doubt, wait it out. Let's see one more candle. See, we have more interest on this side than on the downside. So I'm going to stay in the trade. Looks like we might be doing a little trend upwards here. So we might get a little squeeze, a little pop up. A little pop up here might come back down and bounce and go like that, or it might come up here. The other option might be just blah. That's why it's important to have stop losses. So it looks like we're up 43 if this was a real trade. Let me put those back up there, so you can see where we're getting a little squeeze. I believe it might squeeze to the upside. Man, I wish I could figure out how to put a stop loss. That might be it. Might would have got to reverse this. And the reason why is that we're getting negative interest here. negative interest here, but we have a wedge. And there's our boost. What did I say earlier? Hopefully it goes up here and it drops back down. Nice interest. See that? Nice interest. Sorry, there's not much to talk about. Let's see. I'll just leave that so you can see it. We'll see if it follows my little writing here. Okay, so we can see down here that we are decreasing. We are decreasing. Okay. So let's drop down here. So we got to see if these QE bars end up staying thick. And they do. We are up 197. Well, it could easily drop. This is why it's good to have technical analysis as a tool in your belt. It's not the end-all be-all, but it works. Gives you an advantage, I think. This is kind of working out great. Man, I wish I had a stop loss up in here. Should have practiced this before we got started. We're moving and grooving. Look at these. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so QQ bars increasing. And interest slightly decreasing. Slightly decreasing. We might have had a top here. I'm going to get out at the next, I was going to say next Renko, but here it is. But it's still thick, so I don't want to be faked out. I don't want to be faked out. I'm going to stay in it. Okay, now that it looks like okay, sorry about that technical glitch there. We are back together here, still in the trade, up $448. I think, did we only do one trade? I think we only did one trade based off of that. But I'm going to zoom out. We're going to go to like a 3-minute chart. And we're going to see where this is going. Looks like we have, I'm going to draw a top here. Looks like we're kind of reaching this top here. We're going to, I don't know if price is going to come back down from that or we're going to break through. We have to keep zooming out here. We're probably going to do a nice wick down. I am going let's wait to see what happens. Because we're decreasing here. Ooh. Yeah, we're definitely going to go down here. So I'm reversing the position. See if I was right. And the reason I said that is I'm looking here and interest has decreased. It's actually maybe too early. I should have waited to that Heikin-Ashi square here, but meh. We're already up, what, $400, so we can be a little risque. Oh, we're looking at a 1 minute candle. That can burn you. That can burn you. So let's go back to the 15-second chart. And sit and watch this. Okay, so it looks like same as back there, you know, interest is decreasing. We can see like how it's going down. RSI is going to be like, you know, oversold, but it's swooping back up. Maybe we made a wrong call. Looks like it's going through that support there. I should say resistance, sorry. Let's look back on this 1 minute chart. Looks like we gotta get out of this. We gotta reverse this position. We don't want to lose any more. So that's 169. Looks like we're still going down. QE bars. Oh, this might work out. It's still thick though, so that makes me nervous. But we're trading on a, that's the other thing, is that if you're trading on a 15-second chart, keep trading on a 15-second chart. I think that you can get into some trouble whenever you're getting in and out of trades, looking at different time frames and you know, things like that. Are we long or short on here? Let me. Got a $400 profit here, but are we short? I forgot. I'm not even paying attention. Look, QE's line bars are going down. Yeah, okay. So it's going in our... So I'm gonna like sit on this. Look at this. QE bar going down right here. We have interest increasing to the downside. We have bars headed south. So that gives us, you know, more probability in our favor. Looks like we're in the green. So that's cool. That's cool. But interest, we got to watch this. What's interest doing? Oh. See how it's like kind of fluctuating back and forth? If interest starts to head that way, we got to reverse this position. Let's see what these watch these Q bars here. like interest was back here. Okay. Let's see here. Q bars still headed down, still headed south. South of the border. Hope I edit some good music for this, because it's pretty boring without music. All right, looks like we are $189 up. Paper trading. We're 2 trades, aren't we? $409 profit. Let's see. 218. Now look at here. Look at beautiful. Beautiful. This is how you use this indicator. Look at this. Nice big interest. Nice big Q bars headed down. And look, Q bars heading in the opposite direction. I might flip this around here. Or was it a fake out? It might have been a fake out. We have to watch it. Watch it closely. Was it a fake out? I don't know. Hard to tell. Lots of interest here. Interest is popping. And Q bars. Headed north. Nice. That's what we like to see. Woo. Nice interest up here. Let's look at the trade action here. 409, 125. Oh, nice. So we're up. If we were playing with $100,000, looks like we'd be up 600. And that's because literally this is a 15-second chart. Like I don't know who trades a 15-second chart, especially manually. Maybe some crazy bots or something. I don't know. Nice interest. Q line, north of the border. Looks like we might go, let's see here. We didn't get any blue. That's what I was hoping for. Oh, we got to sell there. Let's see. Not much interest. Not much interest. This is very ugly. Very ugly here. But we do have more interest on the top side than the downside, so that's why I'm expecting price to increase. I'd just like to see this Q line start to increase. There we go. There we go. And there's resistance. Ooh. It's like stopped right there. Let's see if we can break above it. Remember, I'm not trading with any stop losses. Some people fly loose like that, but I prefer not. Okay, we should probably draw some new lines here. See what's up. But this is looking beautiful. Increasing bar here. That's what we want. This is probably a fake out, I'm assuming. So I'm not going to sell on this. You know why? Because this is nice and thick. This is nice and thick. And I kind of like to wait till the candle close. What's going on here? What are we in here? What are we in here? Well, I don't know how long we've been trading for. I don't want to keep you guys. This will be the last trade. So it looks like QE line is up above still. Looks like we're still could go up. We do see interest is increasing southbound, so we could break south. Let's close this trade. Oh, to end this tutorial. Whoa! Wow. Nice, 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 nice. Let's close it at 500 here. And so how many trades did we do live? Can I pull this up? Probably close that. Oh, we're still in it. Close position. Oh, maybe it was a limit? Ah. Either way. So it looks like in 30 minutes we made $994 on 3 trades. 3 trades for 100%. Well, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We'll chat again.